Alright, y'all, here is my V4 powered vehicle prototype. Just glued it down. We have a 50 tooth and a 10, so it's a 5-to-1 gear ratio coming from the engine to the wheels. The wheels are pretty big, so this thing should have a good top speed. I had to add some rubber bands to the wheel because on the floor it loses grip. Show you everything in action. Yeah, this is how it's gonna be running. And we're gonna hook it up to some air. Alrighty. There's idle. Pretty cool. Now we gotta see if this thing can run. Let me try to put it on the ground. Let's see what happens. Let me bring it back. Oh, it's moving. Hold on. I know this is not a good view, but let me try to set it up. Oh snap. Hey, we got it to move though. We got it to move. Come back. This thing almost ran away from us. Hold up. Okay, hold on. Let's take it slow.